My name is Amber Washington, and I choose Mansfield ISD because of the innovative teaching, learning, and community outreach. So I arrived in MISD in 2016 as a referral from a current colleague here. They were very excited about the opportunities that students and leaders in the community have centered around Mansfield, and I wanted to be a part of that. Here in Mansfield ISD, our students get a lot of innovative learning opportunities. As a biology teacher in 2016 at Lake Ridge High School, there was a lot of hands-on learning and labs, and as a teacher at that time, being able to participate in the Grow Your Own program to pursue some administrative opportunities really cultivated my experience and led to where I am today. So as I returned to Mansfield ISD in 2023, many of my teacher colleagues had also made advancements in their career. They now serve as technology leaders. They serve as fellow administrators as well. And to come back and just see the growth and the progress. I've also encountered some of my former students who call out and say, Ms. Washington, what are you doing back? And just excited to continue to pour into now their sisters and their brothers as they continue throughout the Mansfield system. And so to have a place that supports the community, that supports the students, that support the staff in their aspiration was a great thing to be a part of and to partner with.